Desla aswa we now member blo vanimo green emiresim. Aswa blo yumi yet. We are so lazy when it comes to doing things in the interest of our country. All these relevant agencies here, please, enough no sleep, na drink beer, na play pokies, na this something na. And I remember the bill to approve the use of atomic energy for cancer treatment actually came to the parliament about 9 years too late. Na mi sem lo luki mo sem. Despla treaty ya. NEC been approving lo 2015. Na emba expire this year. Like expire straight da yumi karem kam lo floor. One kind of same yumi been walking long. Time yumi need him radiation treatment long online, especially all mama is in cancer. M2 been taking 9 years lo kam lo parliament. Now it took us 2 minutes to pass it. Now mi harim, brother member of Vanimo Green raising all very serious issues. There's all got a public servants is representing Mibla all people of Papua New Guinea. I go, sit down no this all meeting. Also me one. Why does it take so long for an important border treaty to arrive on the floor of parliament? I mean a wrong blong minister of foreign affairs. After the some seems la walk. Na me commend him no me carry me come. What happened to all the other foreign ministers? Where were they sleeping? What happened to all the secretaries for the past 8 years? All me him can walk. Desla aswa we now member blo vanimo green emiresim. Aswa blo yumi yet. We are so lazy when it comes to doing things in the interest of our country. Time you like walking road na bris na classroom ay yumi kata sa resist ya. Na lo look lo border no kat semblo mi bla. Shame on everyone that's been involved in this terrible state of affairs. You may know an excuse. Something expired this year, and now this year you may like approve him. Me noti mo concern blo brata long, vani mo green na me like tokol sem. New pla treaty I think by this year too you may negotiating. So good pla all sem. Parliament must note him. You may no can more. Kisim kind less passing na karemikam na semi yumi yet lo desla flow. House blow people ya, you must treat him with respect. Kind of something where me blow banisim border blow you mean look at him all people blow him stop blow border. It should take priority. But if you listen and follow all of the days of parliament, you miss a sinam loya tok lo road na breeze na cargo na money and issues of national sovereignty are not even they hardly mentioned on this floor. Until a hard-working minister finally, after so many years, brings a treaty, and then you may start talk. So I propose, Mr. Deputy Speaker, that a working committee consisting of members from the border provinces, and especially our good member for Vanimo Green, and others, including the defense minister, you plus sit down now, take control of this work. Lo look lo issues whereby come up lo border. And when the next treaty is ready, please, let's not wait 9 years to bring it to the floor. You blow walk hurry up na ready na kisimikam na kam present him lo here. Plan the time misa tok also you misa run in country blue me also taka box. Well, this is a clear evidence of taka box management. And every professional public servant that was involved ought to be ashamed of themselves. You bring him same lo mibla, all people of Papua New Guinea. So with that, I want to commend the good Minister for Foreign Affairs, and I want to appeal to members of this House. Something here, I'm long time here delay na stop. Look also mama strip la, abrus in first parliament, abrus in number 2 na now number 3 ba lug long em. So I more better lo height him same lo you me ratify him this la treaty. Now you may work him endorsement too also online is supposed to walk long him lo next round yeah. Please ipla hurry up na making work blo ipla. Make sure that all of the issues that are raised by the good member for Vanimo Green are incorporated into the new treaty. And anything we need to do as Papua New Guineans, lo banisim boda blo yumi na protecting more people blo yumi. All this relevant agencies here. Please, enough no sleep na drink beer na play pokies na this something na. Let's get out there and do the right thing by our country and our people. Thank you, Deputy Speaker.